Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to be safer while you're out driving your car? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this like 5-minute project before we do it and the reasons why you're gonna wanna do this yourself. Now, I love having a fire extinguisher in my car, and I was really bummed when I moved from my previous car to my new M2 that my previous seat setup didn't work. It didn't fit. So I went looking for solutions and I found OEM extinguishers. Now these guys are great. They come up with a very simple but easy bracket that goes on your passenger seat. It's about a 5-minute install and it moves with the seat and installs this fantastic extinguisher to go with it. I really believe that you should have one of these in your car, and this keeps it close at hand and it is a very easy install to top it off. All right, and this also works, keep in mind, for standard sports seats, the carbon fiber buckets, all of them. So this is gonna be a great solution. Let's jump to the passenger side, let's get it installed. All right guys, so let's lay everything out. Like I said, this is a 5-minute install, really simple. Only comes with 4 bolts. You've got 2 very large big T40s. You'll need a socket or something similar that's gonna attach the frame to the seat. And then you have 2 T20s that are gonna attach the holder, fire extinguisher holder, to the frame. Now, this goes in this orientation, so you can see the tab pointing towards the center. And there's these 2 little flanges here and here on both sides. Now, when we look here underneath, you'll see right here, so get out of the shadows, right here, this is what those flanges go over on both sides, and then just put those T40s into place really, really easily. Okay, so go ahead and get this into place, like I said, with that center flange pointing in, and then we're going to attach the carrier itself. All right, so once you have that brace on, go ahead and just take the shuttle or carrier here, take it and just slide it into place. It goes over that little tab. Line it up with the 2 holes on each side, and then just put in the T20s. All right, and the last easy step, simply just take your extinguisher, put it back into the holder, lock it down into place, and just ratchet it down. Click, snap. You're good to go. Make sure everything is tight. You don't want to introduce any rattles or have this be loose, but as you can tell, it's in tight. And because it's on that bracket, it will move with the seat, which is really, really nice. All right, guys, I told you this was a 5-minute install. Go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. Well done. All right, all done. I told you this was a 5-minute install. It really is that simple. I don't know why you wouldn't have something like this in your car, either for your car or someone else that might happen. And it really is peace of mind and having this safety equipment close at hand. You know, you hope you never need it, but if you do, you want to be able to get to it right away and take care of the problem. I really appreciate OEM Extinguishers for making such a fantastic product and making it so easy to install. This really does give peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next project.